Table of contents.
Introduction: the consequences of ignoring environmental issues, the role of human activity in environmental degradation, why awareness matters, ways to increase environmental awareness. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to the age of environmental degradation, where the earth is so messed up that people who visit now are like, "Yikes, what have you done?" It's a harsh reality, but we must face it. Our actions have consequences. The planet is in a precarious state due to constant abuse by human beings, and if we don't act fast, we're all going down with it. Acknowledging the current state of the environment is the first step towards combating the issue. You can't fix a problem that you don't know exists. It's sort of like a visit to the doctor. The first step towards recovery is acknowledging that something is wrong. But it doesn't end there. We need to take action, urgently. We have to step up and do our part in preserving the earth for future generations. If we don't, things are going to get worse, fast. The good news is that we can make a difference, no matter how small. Collectively, individual efforts can lead to a better future. So let's get to it. The consequences of ignoring environmental issues. The consequences of ignoring environmental issues are catastrophic. Climate change is causing extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires, resulting in loss of life, property damage, and displacement of communities. Let's not forget about the indirect impacts of climate change, such as the spread of diseases and food insecurity. Pollution caused by human activities has damaged the air, water, and soil. Air pollution alone has been linked to premature deaths, asthma, and heart disease. Our rivers and oceans are becoming dumping grounds for our waste, killing marine life and contaminating our food chain. Loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services is also a significant concern. As humans continue to destroy habitats such as forests and wetlands, we threaten the survival of numerous animal and plant species. This destruction also impacts the provision of services vital for human life, such as clean water and air, pollination, and nutrient cycling. We cannot afford to ignore these issues any longer, or the consequences will be dire. It's time we take action to protect our planet and future generations. The role of human activity in environmental degradation. Human activity has had an overwhelming impact on the environment, causing significant degradation globally. Overconsumption and waste generation, fossil fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation and land use change, and industrial activities and toxins are the primary contributors to the current state of the environment. Our society's obsession with convenience and instant gratification fuels overconsumption, and this results in generation of waste that takes years to decompose. We are producing tons of plastic and non-biodegradable products that continue to pollute the earth. The use of fossil fuels has been the leading source of greenhouse gas emissions that are contributing to climate change. Deforestation for land use change, agriculture, urbanization, and construction purposes has led to significant loss of forest cover and the associated benefits such as carbon sequestration. Industrial activities and toxins have also led to the contamination of air, water, and soil, leading to significant health implications for living organisms. It is essential to recognize the significant role we play in environmental degradation and the urgent need to refocus our actions towards sustainability. By adopting sustainable lifestyles and responsible environmental practices, we can contribute to the reduction of our environmental footprint, curb pollution, and minimize greenhouse gas emissions. We have an obligation to corporations to demand accountability for their environmental impact and embrace environmentally friendly practices that promote sustainable development. Let's take individual initiatives to make conscious consumer choices and participate in the evolution of sustainable practices. It's never too late to start.